If you've ever noticed that pesky volume media control pop-up appearing in the corner every time you adjust the volume while playing audio or video in Chrome, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to disable the Chrome volume media control pop-up on Windows 10. By the end of the video, you'll know two straightforward methods to prevent that overlay from showing up, letting you control your audio without distractions or interruptions. Let's jump right in. The first and easiest way to get rid of the Chrome media control overlay is by using something called Chrome flags. Chrome flags are experimental settings tucked away inside the browser that let you change how Chrome behaves, kind of like flipping secret switches behind the scenes. So here's what you'll do. First, open up Google Chrome. Then, in the address bar at the very top, type Chrome//flags and hit enter. It might look a little different from a regular web page, but don't worry, you're in the right place. Now, at the top of this new page, you'll see a search bar. Type in hardware media key handling. As you start typing, Chrome will begin filtering down the list of flags to show the ones that match your search. You're looking for the flag called Hardware Media Key Handling. This is the feature responsible for that pop-up whenever you tap your keyboard's play, pause, or volume keys. Click on the drop-down menu next to this flag. By default, it's set to Enabled, which is why the pop-up keeps showing up. Just click and select Disabled from the list. Disabling this tells Chrome to ignore those special media key signals from your keyboard, so it won't show the overlay anymore. But you're not done just yet. Anytime you change a Chrome flag, you have to restart the browser for it to take effect. Near the bottom of the window, you'll see a blue Relaunch button. Go ahead and click that. Chrome will close out all your tabs and reopen them, applying the new settings. After Chrome relaunches, try pressing your media keys again. You should notice that media control pop-up doesn't come back. It's a quick fix, but sometimes it takes a few seconds for Chrome to restart. So don't worry if you need to wait just a moment. But let's say you tried this method and for some reason the pop-up is still appearing. Maybe you're running a version of Chrome where flags don't work the way they should or something else looks different. In that case, there's another solution you can use. This method involves changing the way Chrome starts up using a shortcut option. If you've ever edited a shortcut before, you'll know what to do, but I'll walk you through it. Find your Chrome shortcut. Usually it's right on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click it and select Properties. In the Shortcut tab, look for the Target field. This field is basically a command that tells Windows how to launch Chrome. At the very end of that command, after any quote marks or existing text, add a space. Then paste in Disable Features Hardware Media Key Handling. That little chunk of text specifically tells Chrome to turn off media key handling when you open it. Click Apply and OK to save your changes. Next time you open Chrome using that shortcut, the pop-up should be gone, and that's all there is to it. Whether you use Chrome flags or modify your shortcut, you now have the power to make Chrome behave just the way you want and keep your screen free of unwanted overlays. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. For more easy tech tutorials, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a useful tip. Thanks for watching and see you next time.